learn, evolve. These are not just mere words, but the timeless principles that form the core of affiliate marketing success. As an affiliate marketer, your journey doesn't end today. Seize the opportunities that each strategy offers to transform your route today and in the future. The digital space is the perfect playground for those who can adapt to change. Keep learning, keep experimenting, and keep challenging the traditions of yesterday. And as you do that, remember to sprinkle a little bit of passion and integrity. Now go out there and take the affiliate marketing world by storm, towards higher affiliate income in 2024 and beyond, towards stronger audience connections, towards improved content strategies, towards unmatched SEO efforts, towards greater analytics understanding, towards enhanced market diversification. Take steps today that influence your tomorrow. And remember, success is not a destination, it is a journey with many pit stops, many avenues of learning, many trials and triumphs. Keep your spirits high, learn from your mistakes, and above all, never lose your passion for the craft. Forge on, and let your journey define your success story. As we sign off, remember that each day offers a fresh canvas, a new beginning.